Susan. Today I'm going to be making peanut butter bars. They're really easy to make. You don't even need an oven. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and I hope you're doing great today. So without further ado, let's get started. For our peanut butter bars, you'll need 1.5 cups of peanut butter. And I'm using 1 cup of creamy and 1/2 cup of chunky. That's just the way I like to roll. You need 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of melted butter, 2 cups of crushed graham crackers. I'm just using graham cracker crumbs, and a 12-ounce package of chocolate chips, whatever your preference is. I'm using milk chocolate. Now you want to just mix all of your ingredients except for your chocolate chips. Now you want to press it into your pan. It called for a jelly roll pan, but I'm just using a half-sheet cake pan. And I just spread it out and press it in. And I find that just getting in with my hands is the easiest way. Oh, and my hands are clean. After I get this pressed in, I want to melt my chocolate chips. And you can melt them on the stove if you want. I'm using a microwave safe dish and I just went for 1 minute and it was melted. Now pour your melted chocolate over the top of your peanut butter bars and just spread it out, and you'll want to put it in the refrigerator until it's set. Now, I'm keeping mine in my refrigerator. My kitchen gets very hot. But if you have a cool place, you don't have to put them back in the refrigerator. But I've always liked my Reese's peanut butter cups to be a little cold, and so it's perfect for these. All right, let's give these a try. Like a peanut butter cup. So good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I highly recommend you make these. So, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.